Hi, I'm Veronica. Welcome to Stash. Today I'm going to show you how to make a slip knot. A slip knot is an adjustable knot that we need to start with in crochet quite often. A pattern may call for something different, but usually it can be a slip knot. And the way I like to do a slip knot is I take the tail and I loop the working yarn around and over the tail, and then I take this working yarn to the right and I go in behind, pop it up, through, and pull it. And the working yarn is the actual knot. A lot of people think that this is going to be the slip knot, but it's actually the working yarn you pull through. And the way it works is that the tail is now rigid, and if you pull the working yarn, it will adjust the size of that slip knot. How nice.